The northern wing of capital Dhaka has started drone projects to trace Aedes larvae, being optimistic about checking spread. Dhaka North City Corporation will conduct a month-long operation with 5 teams with the help of 5 drones to prevent the spread of Aedes. This program was inaugurated in the morning at Adabor in the capital. Dhaka North City Corporation Chief Executive Officer Selim Reza said the Aedes mosquito larva will be identified through the use of drones. The crash program will run from Saturday to Thursday to identify Aedes mosquito larvae and destroy hotspots. However, it will be effective for a month. For this reason, he requested to throw away unnecessary accumulated water on the houses and roofs every day. In the last campaign, Aedes mosquito larvae were found in 250 houses out of 800 rooftop gardens. Dhaka South City Corporation DCC Mayor Barrister Sheikh Fazlinur Taposh has said this time the best efforts are being made to control the dengue coming in advance. He said this while talking to newsmen after inspecting the water drainage machine in the capital's Hatirjhil in the morning. He also said he expects a responsible role from all stakeholders to protect the people of Dhaka city from the outbreak of dengue disease by destroying the breeding ground of Aedes mosquito. This is the first time Bangladesh is experiencing the death of so many people before the dengue season begins. 5 people died in 24 hours. 61 people died in 6 months and 9,871 people were admitted to the hospital, including the last 678 people. This information was given in a press conference at the capital's health department. A total of 1,669 dengue patients, including 1,100 in the capital, are now receiving treatment at hospitals across the country. There are 4 types of dengue. This time, the prevalence of DenV3 is high, the main feature of which is shock syndrome. And so far, 61 people have died due to this. Many hospitals in the capital are struggling due to high number of dengue patients. Among them, the number of patients in Mugda Medical College Hospital is relatively high. Awami League General Secretary Obaidul Qadir has said, instead of going to voters, BNP is running to foreigners. The party are trying to make the electoral arena controversial by spreading rumors, added he. He made this complaint at the meeting held at Bangabandhu Avenue in this morning along with Awami League and affiliated organization of Dhaka Metropolitan North and South. Obaidul Qadir also commended those who have carried out false propaganda to question the election without officially participating in the 5 city elections are inciting chaos in the country by throwing stones in the dark. Dhaka 17 by-election voting on 17 July. Candidates are busy with campaigning. Residents of Coral Slam said they want to maintain the trend of development by winning the Awami League nominated candidate. One of the largest Coral Slams in the capital is located near the elite area. Civil facilities are also relatively less. However, the election campaign has left an impression on the residents here. One of their choices in the by-election is Awami League candidate Muhammad Ali Arafat. However, some are also talking about Jatiyo Party Shikdar Anisur Rahman and independent candidate Hiro Alom. Residents of Coral Slam want to rely on both to maintain the trend of development. There is no rain in Kurigram. However, the rivers of the district are flowing close to the flood limit due to the continued flow of the upstream. Though the water of all the rivers is decreasing in Netrakona, the water of Ubdakhali River is flowing over the danger level. Moreover, water in the Shunamganj River is decreasing. In Kurigram, water is entering the lower areas and several pastures due to the rise in the water level of the upstream rivers. As there is no rain in Netrakona, the water in the rivers has started to decrease. But the water of Ubdakhali River is still flowing above the border. However, local administration, including district administration, is ready to deal with any disaster. Due to lack of rain in Sylhet and Sunamganj, the water of all the rivers is decreasing. However, if it rains, the people of this area are in danger of flooding. Surma Kushara Sari River water has decreased at all points due to decrease in rainfall since yesterday. Solar irrigation pumps may save 10 lakh ton diesel per annum by converting this from diesel to solar power across Bangladesh. It is possible to generate 6 to 10,000 megawatts of electricity by converting agricultural irrigation pumps to solar power. It will also reduce agricultural production cost and carbon emissions. Even additional electricity can be supplied to the national grid. However, analysts say lack of adequate budget and policy support are keeping the potential renewable energy sector from making the desired progress. The country is turning towards renewable energy to ensure sustainable, eco-friendly and cost-effective energy. Meanwhile, government has strict guidelines for the use of solar power for irrigation of agricultural land. Analysts believe that the indifference of the power department is not meeting the success in this sector. On the other hand, environment analysts say that carbon emissions will also be reduced significantly if a 100% diesel-free irrigation system is introduced in agriculture.